Hey everybody, it's me Bryson. It's currently 7:16 in the morning and we have a gig today. So I got all my stuff set up down here and I'm going to be putting it in my dad's car and going to the gig. Today we're going to be doing I guess you can call it a fair. It's the Word of Life Church Atmosphere of Heaven Fair. And so they called me to do sound for the bands that are going to be coming today. So I can't wait to do it. I think it's going to be a pretty good day. So hopefully you get to follow me the whole day setting up and doing sound and things. So catch you later. I literally just got done setting up, guys. So I'm just playing some test music. We're going to have some wedges on stage. This is supposed to be where the band is. I'd rather sit in front of the speakers, but that's okay. We got a snake right there. Here's the board. Compressor, equalizer, power conditioner. I'll update you later. Finally got a tent. Now I can actually see what I'm doing. One of these is up. There we go. Couldn't see what I was doing the first set. Alright.
Don't give up on God, 'cause He won't give up on you. I'll say it again. Don't give up on God, 'cause He won't give up on you. He's able, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Help me say, God is able. And all the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fight till I'm found. Late at night and night, and I couldn't earn it, and I don't deserve it. Yet you gave yourself away. And oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. No shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. No wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. No shadow you won't climb up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. How many of y'all know that? No wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. No shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. No wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. You call me your own. You call me your own. So Lord, I give you me. You want the world, yeah. Oh yeah, you still want me. Take my mind, take my mind, take my soul, take my soul. Never let me go. Take my heart, take my
No, I don't know what to say, I wanna pray, but I don't know what to say. So if you listen anyway, if you resisted anyway, hey, my Father who art in heaven, please pardon my art and please look past sins of my past, give your boy a fresh start and then if it ain't too much to ask, God also like a whole bunch of cash. Word is you be coming back, so put a rush on that for that trumpet blast. No wonder you don't answer. Look at what I asked for. People dying from cancer. Friend of mine on chemo, and I'm talking about my Nemo. You saved my life like a hero. Who I tell about that? Zero. So it's good, fellas, know the Nero. Switch cash chips, maybe that's it. Cause life ain't no casino. Just living in that dream though. We wildin' out in Reno. Missing cities, just kids with me, cause all in is all we know.